Alright guys, so you're here because you want to know how to build a vacuum table. I made this in just a couple hours out of some drywall that I got laying around the house. Let's get started. Alright guys, so here is the vacuum table. It works great. I don't know if you can see in the video, but there's little bits of color around all the holes. That tells me that it is pulling air. I can definitely feel it with my hands, and it's definitely showing me that it's pulling air because I can see it caked around all the little holes here. I forgot to mention, this blower came off of one of the inflatable things from around Christmas time. This one was a snowman. It got shredded by the dogs, so I saved it, and here's its second life. Powering my vacuum table. Some of my artwork up there. I've been airbrushing for like 2 weeks now. If you liked the video, if you learned anything, please help me out. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.